Hello, welcome back, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all safe at your home. Are you ready for today's class? Okay, very good. Look at these words lifted and shook. What do you notice about them? Yes, very good. The word lifted is formed by adding ed to the root form lift, and the word shook is formed from the root form of shake. These are the past form of verb. Okay, dear children, today let's learn about simple past tense. You listen here. Simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. Structure: subject plus verb to plus object. In simple past tense, we have to use the second form of verb. For example, Harry went to Chennai. Here, went is the past tense of go. Okay, listen to the next example. A frog jumped into the pond. Here, jumped is the past form of jump. Look at the words lifted and jumped. Here we add ed to base form of lift and jump. Some verbs have d or ed or t in their past forms. They are called regular verbs. Now look at the words shook and went. Some verbs have different ways for forming their past and past participles. They are called irregular verbs. Students, now you have to read the poem Somebody's Mother and the story The Wooden Cup once again and pick out the verbs in the past. Classify them as regular verbs or irregular verbs. Look at these columns. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. In regular verbs, waited. Then irregular verbs, stood. Can you say some other words? Yes, very good. Play, played. Jump, jumped. Dance, danced. Then go, went. See, saw. Eat, ate. Okay, my dears, these are the examples of regular verbs and irregular verbs. You have to find out some other verbs and irregular verbs from the lesson. Okay, now let's move on to the activity 8. Listen here, my dears. There is a poem for you to sing. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the words given in the brackets. Listen. The little girl put on her coat. She picked up her heavy basket. She dashed out of the cottage. In bracket, there is go. What will you write there? The past form of verb? Yes, very good. Went. And walked along the path. She looked up at the green trees. She listened to the birds singing. She whistled happily. Then the next stanza. Suddenly she dashed a beautiful flower. Here, see is in bracket. What will you write there as the past form of see? Saw, S-A-W. She smiled and dashed down. Kneel, in brackets, K-N-E-E-L. What will you the past form of kneel? Yes, very good. Knelt, K-N-E-L-T. Then she picked up the flower. She looked up and saw a big wolf with long ears and long teeth. She dashed and ran away. In brackets, there is scream. What will you write in that dash? Yes, very good. Screamed. Then she walked and walked and walked. She walked and walked and walked. She dashed very tired and very hungry. In bracket, there is get. What will you write as the past form of get? Yes, very good. Goat. Then she saw her grandmother's cottage. She knocked 3 times on the door. A deep voice said, dash in, my dear. What will you write in that dash? Yes, came. Came is the past form of come. Okay, she opened the door and went in. The little girl saw an old lady in bed. The old lady had bonnet on her head, but she had long ears and long teeth. Okay, my dears, hope you understood about the regular and irregular verbs. Dear students, now you look at the activity 9. What were your activities yesterday? Make a detailed diary entry. Use the past forms. Okay, my dears, how will you write your diary? I think you are familiar with the diary entry of Tansen in second unit. First, you have to write the date, then you can write the importance of that day. Then you can write your own feelings about that day. Okay? Maybe it will be sad, happy, or angry. Listen to this diary report. First date, Friday, 10th November 2020. I got up at 5:30, learned some lessons. After bath, had my breakfast and went to school. Our first period was English. Teacher started a new lesson. Afternoon, there was quiz competition for UP section. I got first place. Reached home at 5:30 after I took a bath and started to do my homeworks. Went to bed at 9:30 after supper. It was a nice day. Okay? Now you look at the activity 10. Complete the conversation using the correct forms of the verbs given below. Here are some words in brackets. They are get, work, graduate, look, plan. Swapna. Hi Diana, I haven't seen you for ages. How have you been? Diana. Pretty good, thanks. Swapna. Are you still in college? Diana. No, not anymore. I dash last year and I dash a job at the Punjab Bank. What will you write here? I graduated last year and I got a job at the Punjab Bank. Swapna. That's great news. You look different. Have you changed your hairstyle? Diana. Yes, it's shorter. Oh, and I have lost weight. Swapna. Well, you look fantastic. Diana. Thanks. So do you. And there is one more thing. I got engaged. Swapna. Congratulations. Where does he work? Diana. In Australia. Swapna. Do you plan to go with him after the marriage? Diana. After a year perhaps. Okay, my dears. Hope now you can use the present and past forms of verb suitably. Students, now it's the time to wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.